first, let me explain the way most footballers are starting out their training and why 90% of them never improve at all. Because there's 3 levels in this blueprint, and it all starts with level 1. Every professional player you see on TV, every player you admire, they all start exactly where you are right now. They weren't born with some magic football game. Messi wasn't born knowing how to dribble. Ronaldo wasn't born with perfect finishing. These guys develop their skills through very specific, repeatable training methods. And here's what's crazy. Most of these development paths are actually documented. You can study how these players trained when they were your age. You can see the methods that took them from beginners to pros. The problem is, most beginners think they need to be creative and invent their own training methods. But why would you do that when you could just copy what's already proven to work? This is exactly what I did when I first started taking football seriously at 16. Instead of trying to figure out everything myself, I studied how players like Alphonso Davies developed, the guy who came from the same academy I eventually joined. I looked at what drills academy players were doing, researched the training methods used by professional clubs, and found the progression systems that were constantly turning their kids into world-class ballers. And once I started following these sessions, instead of just doing random stuff, my improvement accelerated like crazy. Now, don't worry, later I'm sharing all these drills and sessions with you and explaining exactly how to copy these professional players yourself using the expert molding system. But all of that is going to be completely useless without knowing how to actually get there. So let's move on to step 2, which is where most beginners go wrong. And whether you know it yet or not, this might be exactly what you're doing right now.